Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Now today we're checking out a pasta. This is by Barilla, and this is ready pasta. This is Penne, and so what's really cool about this is you can put this in the microwave for 60 seconds. You open this to vent, 60 seconds, kind of knead this up, and then all you really need is just some pasta sauce and whatever else you need to do. It's a quick and easy and cheap way just to have a meal. Sometimes in a pinch I want to do this, so what I did is I got some red sauce. I put it already in the bowl here. There we go. Just heated it up for 30 seconds. I literally just took this out of the microwave. This is a bag that's done. So what you do is you knead this to kind of separate the pasta inside the bag already. You tear this to vent a little bit, and then you pop this in the microwave. And then just be careful because there's going to be hot steam coming out of here. But literally what I'm going to be doing is just adding this inside here with the sauce that is already here. So we have it in. I'm going to stir this up, and I have a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Now what I did is the sauce that I got, I think it's like a tomato and garlic sauce from Target. Literally the cheapest I could find. I'm going for price and cost effectiveness here, because I just want to see what I can get for the least amount of money and see if I can just create a nice little meal. So another, I think, Target brand is Parmesan cheese. I love Parmesan cheese on my pasta, so I'm going to put a good amount on here. I like putting a good amount. I'm going to take my spoon, I'm going to stir this up, and I'm going to take a bite. So if you don't know, if you make pasta, you're going to have to get a pot, boil the water, also get the sauce, heat it up. In this case, you can do it in a microwave or in a stove pan, any which way you want. And basically, you would have to wait until the pasta is al dente, until you can eat it. And you just have to kind of, I'm not good at cooking whatsoever, so I'm just kind of hoping and holding my breath. Did I leave it in there too long? Did I leave it in there too, I don't know. For some reason, it's always a little bit too hard or sticky or something like that. But in this case, it says 60 seconds in the microwave. I put it in here. We have it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bite. This could be good. This could be bad. Who knows? Okay. Now what I want to do here is I want to show you one of these. Can I get it? Well, it's a little bit slippery. Let me put this on a spoon for you. So these are the tiny little noodles. And I'm not sure if you can see it here. It's focusing on my face. Look at this. So the noodles themselves, they kind of have a thicker wall than most. And what I first thought here is when I took a bite is that it did not cook the entire way through. I just think it's a thicker pasta. It tastes about right. It has Parmesan cheese, it has red sauce, and it's pasta. This literally took me 60 seconds. I was counting down, I was putting the right lens on this camera. I just wanted to do something that was extremely simple. This tastes good. It has red sauce, it has Parmesan cheese. You can put whatever sauce you want, but this is a base of something that could fit. This fills up one of these bowls. This is like a cereal type bowl. And if this is what you eat, it serves one. If you eat half of this, it serves two people. Yeah, in general, I'd say this pasta is good. It does taste a little bit thick. The kind of pasta that they have here, penne pasta, if you look at this picture, it shows a large hole in the center. That's not really what you get. You get much more of a, I wish I could show you one particular piece. Can it? Yeah. You can see there's a tiny little hole there, and most of it's noodle. So it tastes a little bit thicker. It could taste like it's not done yet, but these are fully cooked inside here. Here's the nutrition facts if you want to take a look at that for a second. Let's see, how many 2 servings per container. So technically, if you wanted to do this, you'd maybe have a side with this, so it's not just all pasta, but in a pinch, you can serve one, you can serve 2 people. Safely, I would say this is a 1-person type thing. Unless you're eating right. Maybe I'm just have a terrible diet. But let's see. Total fat per serving. Actually, it's nice. They do per serving, and realistically, they do per container, because I think they know that people will be eating this by a container, because these are sad single people like myself who will be eating the entirety of that bag. So total fat for the entire container, 3 grams, cholesterol 0, sodium 440 milligrams, that's 19% of your daily value based on a 2,000 calorie plan. Total carbs is 82 grams, that's 30%. Protein, 14 grams. Hey, it gives you a little bit of protein. Any sugars, 1 gram of sugar. And vitamin D, nope, calcium, 27 milligrams. Iron, 2 milligrams. Potassium, 80 milligrams. As a little in the pinch, like something that you need to just eat, you don't have time to make any dinner or anything, I'd say this is a good little option to have. I'm very happy with this. It's a little bit thick for my taste, but I know that they do come in different variations other than the penne pasta. Maybe they will improve the penne pasta in the future and actually make it like the photo and not just like all noodle with a tiny hole. But hey, I'm not complaining. I made dinner in 60 seconds. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been Matt for Creative. You can find me on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. What else? Oh yeah, subscribe, like everything. I've been making videos daily for over the last month, and I know I haven't used my channel in a long time. I want to keep on reusing it using it and using it and using it. So if you have something you'd like me to review, either just an idea or if you're a company, reach out to me and I'm sure we can definitely do something. But if you have any questions or comments about this particular ready pasta by Barilla, put in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time.